Maintaining physical and mental activity will help you have better, more youthful health, especially when you turn 50, when the signs of aging are quite obvious. What do 50-year-olds need to know and do? Readers, please refer to these useful tips. 1. Protect your skin once you turn 50. Your chances of getting acne will greatly decrease. That's because your skin is getting drier, so acne spots appear less frequently. However, loss of muscle, bone, and subcutaneous fat, along with changes in elastin and collagen, will cause wrinkles to form on the skin, especially if you smoke or spend a lot of time in the sun. To fix it, use retinol products prescribed by your doctor such as Retin-A or Renova. These creams help repair damaged skin by speeding up cell regeneration. You should choose products with antioxidants and glycolic acid to increase collagen production, creating a solid structure under the skin. Next time, when you turn 60, you may have varicose veins on your face, on your cheeks, nose, chin, or on your legs. However, you don't need to worry too much because this condition can be treated with scarless lasers or other skin regeneration measures, helping the skin become more youthful. In addition, Botox and filler injections can also be used to reduce wrinkles on the skin. 2. Protect the senses when you turn 50. Your senses of taste, smell, and touch are still largely intact. However, you may need to use glasses when reading. The reason is because as you get older, you will have difficulty focusing when looking up close, be sensitive to bright light, and have reduced vision at night. In addition, dry eyes will also become more common. Therefore, in this condition, you may need to use eye medications. What do you need to supplement at age 50? You may need to take omega-3 fatty acids and supplements or through foods like salmon. Next time, when you turn 60, you may experience hearing loss. 3. Improve the body's metabolism. People aged 50 need to know. Metabolism usually slows down every 5% over a decade. So what should people in their 50s do? You just need to stay active and gradually reduce calories, eating more nutrient-dense foods, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, and fish. However, people over the age of 50 often have slower digestion rates, increasing the risk of gastric reflux. The fix is, you should add fiber to your diet. This also helps prevent the risk of colon polyps, one of the factors that increase the risk of colon cancer. Besides, you may experience bloating and discomfort when drinking milk. That's because when you turn 50, your body produces less lactase, an enzyme that helps digest milk. However, you should still eat yogurt to digest lactose. In the future, when you turn 60 to 70 years old, your body may secrete less hydrochloric acid, reducing vitamin B12 content. You should consult your doctor to see if you should actively eat more foods rich in vitamin B12 or need to supplement with medication. 4. Exercise for good health. If you continue to exercise diligently for many years, your muscles, bones, and joints will still function quite well at the age of 50. However, aging and lack of exercise can cause you to suffer from joint pain due to cartilage, abrasion, loss of lubricating joint fluid, muscle weakness. Some remedies are maintain proper body weight and do resistance training. Besides, the joints may rattle and crackle. This is not a serious health problem. However, if you hear these sounds accompanied by symptoms of pain, swelling, or numbness in the joints, you should see a doctor immediately. People aged 50 need to know. In the coming time, about 20% of women aged 65, 74 will have osteoporosis. Therefore, you should actively exercise to maintain bone density. 5. Keep your heart healthy. If you stay healthy and active, you don't need to worry about your heart health. At the same time, you should exercise by cycling, jogging, swimming, to keep your heart healthy. However, when you turn 50, your heart wall will become thicker and your heart valves will also become stiffer. Additionally, many people in their 50s also begin to develop the first signs of heart disease. However, Thanks to new treatments and reduction of risk factors, death rates from heart disease have decreased significantly. If you have heart problems, try feeling to see if your heart is racing or not. It could be atrial fibrillation, a common heart rhythm disorder in older people. This condition can increase the risk of stroke, so you need to see a doctor soon. At the same time, you should also talk to your doctor if you experience unusual fatigue, weakness, or dizziness when exercising. People aged 50 need to know. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for people over 65 years old. Therefore, from the age of 50, you should actively exercise to reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Improve sex life after age 50. Your sex life may be better than it was during the years you spent raising children. That's because you and your partner have more time to spend together, are less bothered by children, and you are not exhausted from having to take care of your children every day. However, at age 50, hormones related to sex, estrogen and progesterone in women, testosterone in men, decline. Combined with bad habits like smoking and a sedentary lifestyle, your sex life will not be as desired. The rate of men with erectile dysfunction in their 50s is also quite high, 26%. To overcome this condition, you should change your lifestyle, exercise, don't smoke, and follow a Mediterranean diet, lots of fish, vegetables, nuts, and olive oil. In the near future, women over the age of 50 may have to face vaginal dryness due to decreased estrogen levels. However, you can use lubricants, prescription estrogen creams and pills, etc. to improve your sex life. 7. Enhance immunity. What people in their 50s need to know. Allergies caused by an overactive immune system may become less severe because your immune system is no longer as sensitive as when you were younger. However, your immune response is not as sensitive as before, which means you are more likely to get sick. Besides, the body's response to vaccines also decreases with age, making you susceptible to diseases such as flu and pneumonia. Therefore, protect yourself by getting enough sleep, getting vaccinated, losing weight, eating well, and actively exercising. Next time, when you turn 60, you should get vaccinated against shingles. When you turn 65, you should get vaccinated against pneumococcal disease. 8. How to urinate less at night. If you're healthy, your urinary system can function as well as it did when you were younger. However, about 15 to 20% of people over 50 years old have to wake up at least twice a night to urinate. Therefore, you should limit drinking too much water after 6 p.m. and avoid drinks containing alcohol and caffeine. If you are taking diuretics for high blood pressure, you should talk to your doctor about taking them in the morning. In addition, about 30% of women lose urinary control when coughing or sneezing. This is the effect of vaginal birth and estrogen depletion. However, you can control the symptoms of urinary incontinence through exercise. Kegel exercises strengthen the muscles around the uterus, bladder, and rectum, and medication. Besides, over 30% of men over 50 years old experience symptoms of prostate enlargement. The most basic symptom is difficulty urinating. People aged 50 need to know. In the near future, when they turn 60, urinary incontinence in women will become more common. In men over the age of 70, about 50% have prostate problems. To control this condition, you should drink enough water and eat a diet rich in fruits and vegetables with high water content. 9. Maintain happiness. When turning 50, many people feel happier. That's because you know that the bad times are over. You will enjoy your life more happily. However, by avoiding stressful and difficult situations, older people may also miss out on new opportunities. That causes them to narrow their social network. In the coming time, people in their 60s and 70s will become increasingly happier and more satisfied with their lives. Studies show that feelings of anger and sadness become less frequent with increasing age. That's probably because older people are better able to regulate negative emotions. 10. maintain clarity, the growth of new brain cells continues into your 50s and 60s, and you still have the ability to learn new things. However, age also slows your ability to recall old memories. At age 50, forgetfulness occurs because the transmission of nerve impulses between cells slows down a bit. However, you can exercise more to slow down memory loss and keep your mind sharp. In the near future, memory loss will become more common at the age of 60, especially 70 to 80. To prevent this condition, you should exercise regularly and have an active life. Some of the information you need to know at age 50 mentioned above will help you proactively deal with health problems that will occur when you turn this age. Older people should pay special attention to regular health checks and have a scientific and healthy lifestyle to maintain their health. Regular health checks help detect diseases early, thereby creating a treatment plan to achieve optimal results.